The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Code Health.
Welcome back to Bloom. Dealing with chronic stress can create a biological disruption that could weaken the immune system and affect our energy levels. Joining me now are the founders of Code Health, board-certified doctor of natural medicine, Lisa Piper, and Wendy Cohn-Osborne, with more on how to prevent this. Ladies, welcome. It's always such a pleasure to see you.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Lisa, we'll start with you. How does chronic stress really impact the body?
Well, not only does it drain your energy, but it impacts or impairs your ability to focus and be clear with your decision making. And it also weakens your immune system, as you said. And the point is we need to create a less stress, because think about this. How do you show up to others in your life? If you are agitated and irritated and stressed out, then that's how you show up in your life and in your relationships, and that also is a problem.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, just today and yesterday I had to backpedal a little bit because, I was just so nervous and anxious. And Wendy, what are some of the signs to look for that somebody might be dealing with this?
Well, I am one of those high-level achievers and professionals, so I didn't even realize at the level of stress that my body was working at until Lisa and I did some research, and with that research, we saw, using me as the guinea pig,
right,
we saw that one drop of calm actually changed my psycho-emotional state of mind from what was at 55% to 98%, just one drop after 30 minutes. So imagine if you take a drop of calm or 2 drops of calm a day, how that can really change.
Yeah, I need to drop it in the morning right before I walk in the door on the way to work. So Dr. Lisa, kind of talk to me about Code Health and the approach to bringing people this calm.
Code, and the calm code specifically, is the fastest way to recalibrate your brain and your body. It's as simple as 1 drop under the tongue, and it's the best way to do it because it's a non-toxic, drug-free alternative that's safe for everyone. And the best part, it works synergistically with everything else you're already doing.
And Wendy, you mentioned this briefly, like you did this and you did an experiment, but how did it make you feel personally?
So, we've been doing Code now for about 2.5 years, and every morning when I wake up, Code Calm is literally the first thing that I take. I didn't realize at the level of stress that I was at, and what I find is that it just makes me feel more grounded, more focused, and I'm just able to deal with things without all of the distractions. And daily life, just in general, you don't have to be a professional, but things just that happen every single day, it just helps you maintain that focus and groundedness.
And this is something that you can do. I mean, you offer so many different Code Health options, and you don't have to just take one or the other, you can combine them.
That's right. Wait 15 seconds between each formula and avoid eating and drinking for 5 minutes. That's it.
This is incredible. Well, I really appreciate the both of you coming on Bloom and explaining how Code Health works and how it can help calm your nerves.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
For more information, visit codehealthshop.com or find them on social media at Code Health Shop. Bloom will be right back.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Code Health.